right? You're gonna kick, 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 step, boom, stop, kick, step it, yeah, stop, kick, step it, stop, kick, boom, bing, cross, jab, cross, bing, Isa, Isa. So you go with this knee first, bing, cross, jab, cross, bing, Isa, Isa, okay? Cross, jab, cross, kick, kick, skip, 1, 2, right, cross, jab, cross, kick, kick, knee, knee, knee. Yes, kick, cross, jab, cross, kick, knee. Yeah! We're gonna do it again. Some more. All the way down to the ground. Now stretch your legs out, straight. There you go. And that's how I want you to lift it. Like that. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah. Good, 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 good. You know how to relax, well, I tell you. 2, 3. Keep your balance. Go. 4, 9. Nice. One more. Good, 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 good. Go. Yes, brother. Good job. Good job. How you feel, all right?
Very good.
And pull yourself up. The whole body. Everything. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. All. There you go. All the way up. Come on. You got 5 more. Come on. Go. 4, 5, 6, 7. All the way up. One more. There you go. You're pretty good at these kettlebell swings, man. Go.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Bend yes, all the way down. Like that. Good. Good, man. 5, 4,